When we say the largest animal living on land, everyone knows who we are talking about. So today, I am going to talk about them. Welcome to Mr. Fact's journey to find the missing information in the ever-changing world. Let's move on to the topic. When talking about elephants, we can divide them into two main types. That is an African elephant and an Asian elephant. There are two other species of African elephant. They are African forest elephants and African savannah elephants. Let's talk about the African elephant first. African elephants are the world's largest land-dwelling animals. It is easy to recognize them because the position of the ears of African elephants is a little bigger. Their body weight is between 2.5 and 7 tons. The body size is between 8 and 13 feet. Forgot to say. They are mammals. On average, these animals live for about 70 years. Currently, 34 areas where African elephants live have been identified. The largest number of elephants live in Botswana, showing that value as 131,626. The fewest elephants live in Senegal. It is referred to as one elephant. It is mentioned in the articles that there are about 415,000 African elephants living in the world. If we take their death rate, 12 will die for every 100 living elephants. About 70,000 African elephants die each year. Do you know what the reason for this is? Human activities are the reason for this. About 80% of these deaths occur for the purpose of obtaining ivory. If so, you have indirectly become a partner in these deaths. Now let's see some details about Asian elephants. Asian elephants are the second largest land animals in the world. They are a bit smaller in body size and look a bit more attractive. Their body weight is between 2.25 and 5.5 tons. And the body size is between 6.6 and 9.8 feet. There is something unfortunate about them. That is the fact that Asian elephants are under threat of extinction. Currently, 13 areas in the world where Asian elephants live have been identified. The largest number of elephants live in India. The smallest number is in Vietnam. It is said that there are currently around 50,000 Asian elephants living in the world. If we turn to the death rate of Asian elephants, 433 elephants will have died in the year 2022 in Sri Lanka alone. This is a very sad situation. Many of these deaths are caused by elephant-human conflicts. Many of these losses are caused by a special small bomb known by Sri Lankans as a jaw exploder. In this case, the mouth of the animal is completely destroyed due to the bomb that explodes as it prepares to eat. If you have ever seen an animal that faced such a harsh fate, you would not even dream of doing such an act. Because if the relevant animal does not die from that incident, these animals will die after suffering from a lack of food and water for several days. There are other reasons for these deaths. Elephants also die due to collisions with power lines that are drawn to protect crops. Also, the number of elephants dying due to gunshots is high. Due to these elephant-human conflicts, 145 people have died and 433 elephants have been lost to the world in the year 2022 in Sri Lanka alone. In the past few months, from the beginning of the year until April, 151 elephants have lost their lives in the country.